Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we are making peaches and biscuits. It's kind of like a fruit cobbler, but it's a little more cobbler than fruit. So let me show you how it's done. So first I poach my peaches. I put like a little X at the top with a knife and 30 seconds in the boiling water and then put them in cold water to cool. And then I peel them. And once I get all the peaches peeled, like this, I cut them, roughly chop them up, and put them in a bowl and save them for later. Cover them up and put them to the side. All right, so in a skillet, it's probably about an 8-inch skillet, I'm going to take some butter and I'm going to generously grease this pan, the bottom and the sides. All right, and so we want a nice layer of butter on there. All right, now I'm going to put a can of biscuits in there. You could also make your own biscuits to do this. It's up to you. I just, we had biscuits, so I figured let me use these up. This would be good with the angel biscuits I have. Man, I don't know if you've seen that recipe. You should look it up. Maybe I'll put it up here in the right hand corner. All right. So once I have that done, we're going to go back to the peaches and we're going to season these up. And so I already put probably about a scant 1/4 cup of white sugar in there. And then I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we want it sweet, but not too sweet. So, that's why I'm not putting like a whole cup of sugar in it. And plus I don't have that many peaches. Now you can use as many peaches as you like and make it as peachy as you like. You don't have to use as much biscuit dough. It's up to you. This is just a rustic dish. You make it as you like. All right, and make sure you keep as much peach juice as you can. So I'm scraping the last of the juice and whatever little white sugar was left behind. And then I'm going to season this with a little brown sugar. And so about 2 teaspoons, or you can go full tablespoon if you like. And I also put just a little bit of extra butter in there, not a lot. We don't want it too greasy, just enough butter to help meld the flavors together. And so that's actually what fat does when you put it in your food. It kind of does a thing where it kind of coats your tongue and it changes the flavor of the food to make it a more pleasant experience. So there we go, just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to toss everything together. We don't want those peaches to break up too much, because we want those large chunks of peaches in there. All right, you see that? Just mix them up. And then the sugars get together with the peach juice and makes a nice little sauce. All right, and then when that butter melts, it'll help make it saucier too. All right, so back to the pan with the biscuits. We simply pour the peaches on top, and then we want to spread it out into a nice layer, making sure all the biscuits are covered. And you put it in a 350-degree oven, and it's going to take anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. This took me about 45 minutes to finish cooking. All right, but I think you'll love the results. It's kind of reminiscent, although it's not. It's kind of served like a cinnamon roll would be served, because it's not quite a cobbler because it's not as juicy as a cobbler, but it's more like how you would experience eating a cinnamon roll. And you'll see at the end. making sure to get all that good juice out of there. So it's going to go in the oven again. It took 45 minutes for mine, but you got to keep an eye on it. Make sure. All right, so there we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I will be getting a plate in just a moment. All right, and there we go. Isn't that isn't that lovely? Look at that. So the outside is nice and brown, and the outside has that butter on it, so it's going to be buttery, you know, and just kind of like that nice doughy texture and the peaches. So it was really good. Now you could put sugar glaze on this. You could serve it with whipped cream if you like. It's up to you. But I liked it just the way it was. It was just, it was sweet, but not too sweet. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And I will talk to you later. Take care, y'all.